Oh, I cannot draw. I don't have iPad. I cannot afford Procreate. Well, guess what? Fuck that. I'm here to show you that you can use your smartphone, a free software, and obviously your finger to create a good drawing, good art. I'm not even a professional artist, and I can pull this off only using my finger. Hi guys, Pak Kev here. Today, we are kicking off a new segment I call TutoriArt. The purpose of this series, as you can guess, is to provide tutorials and encouragement for you to start drawing. Yeah, this little piece of shit is you. So, yeah, it's cute though. So let's learn together and grow together. So for today's episode, the main goal is simple. To prove you wrong. Yeah, you can draw using the most basic tools. Your potato phone and your finger or elbow or whatever you have in your body now. Today, we are drawing Jane Doe from game Endless Zone Zero. Yes, I'm drawing your waifu, you piece of shit. And for the software, I'll be using ibis Paint X, which is super versatile and it's free. Now, let's talk about this lovely software, ibis Paint. Disclaimer, I'm not getting paid by this app. I just enjoy using it. It's available for both Android and Apple. And it's not that big, around 100 MB for Apple and 60 MB for Android. So it won't hog your phone storage. So, when choosing a free drawing software, there are 4 essential features to consider. Brush, zoom, selection tool, and layers. So, for ibis Paint, they have it all. First, brush. There are tons of free brushes, and you can unlock pro brushes by watching the ads. I personally love their dip pen brush for line art and watercolor brush for adding texture. You can even customize your brush. Zoom. Of course, every drawing software have this, or they should have this. So does ibis Paint. Selection tools. In ibis Paint, the selection tools is straightforward. You can select parts of your drawing to manipulate, move, resize, or skew. This is super helpful when you are still figuring out the proportion and the placement of elements in your sketch. And layers. In my opinion, the real power of ibis Paint lies in its layering capabilities. You can create multiple layers, flips the canvas or individual layers, and use various blending modes like multiply, darken, or normals. Plus, you can insert reference image, which is great for keeping everything organized without constantly switching apps. My drawing method is a mix of different teachers. For those of you who say, "Oh, I cannot do this, I don't know how to do," fuck you. You have internet. If not, you wouldn't be watching me right now. I have learned from so many YouTube channels like Broco, Chomang, Mark Brunet, and everyone else. A lot of YouTube video. There's so much to learn, and the most important thing is practice make perfect. So close this video and start drawing. Bye bye. No, just kidding. I still need your watch hour, so watch me until the end, okay? So guys, back to my workflow. Basically, I divide my workflow into 3 parts. First, rough sketch, and then refinement, and then coloring. And I do it in the loop. So I'm doing rough sketch and then I refine it, and I do rough sketch again, I refine, and then if I really satisfied with my refinement, I'll start to color and refine again and color again until I really feel good with the drawing. As you can see, I adjust anatomy a lot because I'm not perfect. I'm as stupid as you guys, so that's why we learn together, you know. And in this part, I really getting a lot of help from these selection tools. Once I happy with the basic proportion, I add more details, hairs, facial features, and clothes. Guys, we need to make this a family friendly channel, you know, so we need to have clothes. I refine the sketch until it looks good, playing with the line thickness to simulate the depths, using thicker lines for the elements that are closer to the viewer. So the farther the image or the object is, the finer the line are. Now, after I satisfied with the sketch and my line art, I go to coloring. I learned a lot from Mark Brunet for this coloring, especially this video. I will put the link in the description. I start with the basic color and add the shadow. I usually go for less saturated color for shadow. So if the color is green, I pick that green and reduce the saturation to the left. Remember, shadow need to be correspond to your light sources. After the shadow, I add highlight, also corresponding to light source. For highlight, I pick the color and move the wheel forward to the yellow side and increase the lightness. And after so many refinement, you got the drawing. And the last one is just do the background and you are all set. So there you have it. If I can do it, you can do it as well. There are plenty of free software, but I think ibis Paint is one of the best and I genuinely enjoy using it. Another disclaimer, I'm not getting paid to say that. But if ibis Paint want to pay me, hey, just send me the money, man. So, what are you waiting for? Just do it! Share your artwork on social media and tag me so I can check it out. Stay tuned for more TutoriArt content and feel free to suggest what you want to do or what you want to learn for the next video. We can learn and get depressed together in anxiety because we all are failures. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, see you on the next one. Bye!